Pradesh. Where is the Andhra Pradesh state map? Show me. Very good. Show me. Show it to ma'am. Turn this side. Turn this side. Okay. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh?
Amravati.
Very good. Keep it there. Okay. Can you please tell me what is our state flower?
Jasmine.
Where is the jasmine? Please show me. Very good. Clap for Raman. Ganishka. Keep it. Very good. Can you please tell me what is our state fruit?
Mango.
Mango. Where is the mango? Show me. Show it to ma'am. Very good. Clap for Dhanush. Keep it there, Dhanush. Good morning, Cherry. Good morning. Okay. Can you please show me where is the our state tree? State tree. Show me that pic. Show me that pic. Show it to ma'am. Very good. Clap for Cherry. Keep it there. Thank you, Cherry. Cherry, thank you. Come on. Come on.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay. Can you please tell me what is our state anthem? State anthem.
మా తెలుగు తల్లికి మల్లెపూ దండ.
Say repeat it again. మా తెలుగు తల్లి.
మా తెలుగు తల్లికి మల్లెపూ దండ.
Where is the మా తెలుగు తల్లి pic? Show me. Show it to ma'am. Very good. Keep it there. Okay. What is your state dance? Ganesh, Apipa, what is your state dance?
కూచిపూడి.
Where is the Kuchipudi pic, Nana? Very good. Clap for Apipa. Thank you, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Very good. Can you please tell me what is our state sport? What is our state sport, Samina?
Kabaddi.
Where is the kabaddi pic? Show me. Show it to ma'am. Very good. Clap for Amina. Very good. Can you please tell me what is the name of our chief minister?
Nala Chandrababu Naidu garu.
Very good. Clap for Bhishma. Okay. What is our state flower?
Jasmine.
Where is the jasmine pic? Very good. Keep it there. Thank you, Bhishma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Come.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. What is our Shivanshika? What is your state bird? What is the name of our state bird?
Parrot.
Where is the parrot? Show it to ma'am. Show it to ma'am. Very good. Okay, keep it there. Keep it there. Shivanshika, what is the name of our state deputy CM? What is the name of our deputy CM?
Monidera Pankamakaro. Monidera Pankamakaro.
Very good. Thank you, Shivanshika. Come on, sit. Good morning, Aiza. Very good. Can you please show me what is our state fruit? Fruit.
Mango.
Where is the mango? Very good. Clap for Aiza. Keep it for Aiza. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Come, Shri Krishna. Okay. What is our state emblem? What? Where is the Purnagatam? Show me, Nana. Where is the Purnagatam pic, Nana? Show me. Very good. Take it and show me. Show it to ma'am. Very good. Clap for Shri Krishna. Okay. What is your state animal? Shri Krishna, what is your state animal? Where is the Krishna Jinka pic? Show me, ma. Show it to ma'am. Very good. Keep it there. Clap for Shri Krishna. Okay, what is your state flower? State flower. What is that? What is? Very good. Clap for Gulshan. Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, can you please tell me what is your state fruit?
Mango.
Say loudly.
Mango.
Very good. Clap for Rohit. morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. What is our state fruit?
Ma'am.
Fruit. Fruit. What is that? Huh? Lovely. Very good. Keep clap and put it, Manu. Keep it there, Manu. Okay. Ashni, Vashika. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, can you please tell me what is your state fruit? State fruit? Show me. What is that? Say loudly. Very good, clap and pass. That is the